In the Atacama Desert, 3,000 meters above sea level, sits the half-finished hulk of the ELT. When it is finished in 2028, it will be the biggest optical telescope in the whole universe. Optical telescopes use a series of mirrors to capture light from space and redirect it to their various instruments. A bigger mirror can collect more light, which means it can both see dimmer things and resolve them in finer detail than a smaller one. The ELT's main mirror will have a diameter of 39.3 meters, 3 times bigger than the current record holder. There are other types of telescope that don't rely on the sheer size of the mirrors. The VLT, or Very Large Telescope, combines signals such that resolving power depends on the distance between the mirrors rather than the size of the individual mirrors. The ELT will not compete with telescopes like the VLT, but complement them. Its enormous mirror will excel in detecting the dimmest and most distant objects because of its unrivaled light-gathering size. It will allow astronomers to separate the faint light of a planet from the overwhelming glare of its star from dozens of light-years away. These days, the existence of most exoplanets is inferred from the effects they have on the light from their parent stars. Taking pictures of them, so-called direct imaging, is rare. Of the roughly 5,500 known exoplanets, scientists have pictures of only around 1% of them. When ELT comes online, there will be a direct imaging bonanza. And direct imaging will also help reveal the chemical composition of exoplanet atmospheres and whether any show signs of potential alien life. On direct imaging of faint objects, ELT will have the final word for the foreseeable future. The giant Magellan telescope is currently being built several hundred kilometers south of the ELT and is due to see its first light sometime in the 2030s. It will combine 7 big mirrors into one giant one with an effective diameter of 25.4 meters. Even so, it will only have around a third the light-gathering capacity of the ELT. So for the next several decades, if you want to access the biggest telescope in the universe, better seek out the extremely large telescope.